4 birds landing on your arm. Uh-oh, those two are fighting over you.
This is ridiculous.
Wait, turn around.
Hey, don't fight me. I'll fight you.
You see, they eating animal feed on a stick. You hold the stick and they land on your arm, start to eat it. Sometimes they fight over it. It's ridiculous. Look at all of them. Everywhere. It's funny because they don't hurt you. It's funny. You got bird baths everywhere. Grandpa, Grandpa. He crashed on my shoulder. That's ridiculous. This is funny. Ah, don't bite me, a little. It's funny. Because they all land on you?
Yeah.
He's like you over his shoulder. This is too cool. Hello.
Hello.
This is too cool. The bird poop is everywhere. He's on my iPod. The blue one was on my iPod just now. He's on my belly. They don't know what's happening. Ah. They're fighting over it.
Right. Crazy. Right, man.